Hello everyone and welcome back to this new episode. Today I want to show you how I made almost $400 trading Tesla, and especially guys, this is a live recording, so you're gonna enjoy it very much. It's amazing. You're gonna see when I enter and trade in the first 20 minutes and how I made the $400 very quick. Especially this is a voiceover after, but tomorrow I will try to get the voice during the live trading, so you will get as well the emotions I'm getting during the moment. But this time I will just comment it. Especially please subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like. It takes time to do this video, so if you really like them, please subscribe and help me to grow this channel. So let's go right away on the trade. Mainly I focus on Tesla, and here we can see the ring of the bell. It starts and 813 it's my level on Tesla for a possible bear market and for possible bounce. This is the pre-market low. What I'm looking, if Tesla managed to hold this level, I can go ahead with it. Why I entered especially is because NQ is making a red to green candle. This allows me to have more confidence on the enter and on the entry. I got in, and I get right away a nice push to almost 100 profits. Unfortunately, is because it was very quick on the start. The red to green became green to red on the NQ. So I don't want to risk it too much, especially because, again, this is the first minutes. The options call can move very fast and you can go on a losing trade very quick. I want to avoid that. When I saw that the red to green candle appears, the green to red candle appears on NQ, I get out. Tesla right away pushes down. It was a very good exit. Unfortunately, after that it bounced, so perfectly on the level. It closes above, so that was probably here an even better entry when I saw that the level was holding. Unfortunately, it's easy to say it now. This could have been probably easy $200, $300. But wait, what I look at now is that is reaching the closing of yesterday. If NQ is weak, as I can see on the right, probably this is a good put options because it's gonna reject the yesterday closing and Tesla push down. NQ is making new lows. I enter on a put, but what happens is that that level is still holding, and NQ is bouncing a bit on the previous level pre-market low. I don't want to risk it too much. I get out. Better, be safe than sorry. So I don't want to stay in a trade hoping, and if it does not happen, I just get out. I prefer risk low, probably get out many times before I get a nice trade, but it's totally fine. After these quick two trades that I usually try to avoid in the first hours, but in the first minute, sorry. But if I get a nice reason to enter, like in these cases, I'm happy to enter. The next place, it's on the 820 rejection on Tesla. I had at this level. It was the most important level I had on Tesla, and I was playing. I wanted before to play the bullish position, but because it was broken, now I'm gonna play the bearish. But in my case here, I did a mistake that I entered too early on the put. I did not wait for a little confirmation, especially on the Nasdaq. It was making new highs. New Tesla pushed even more. That was my mistake. I got a little loss. I think I lost a lot. No, I lost around $50. Yes, I lost $50 on the trade. That put me on kind of a break-even red day. So now I looked at 820. It can really be a rejection. I entered again, looking at NQ, possible rejecting the 302. So what happened here is that why I got out in this position. You can see that the yesterday close was a level. So we have a broke and retest. So especially in this case, I would stay in the trade if this level gets broken very fast on the downside. Then I would be like comfortable to stay in the put. But because this level gets hold and NQ is a kind of same idea of breaking retest, I decide to get out with a little profit, putting me back green on the day. So you can see I get out, and right away the red candle goes up. So now what I'm waiting again is a confirmation of the 820 can be a rejection. And this is gonna be an interesting play because what I decided to play is that NQ give me a beautiful green candle, pushes to the high, double top, come back, becomes green to red, so we have momentum. And I love to enter on momentum trades. I short Tesla right away, and I go to profits in like no time. I enter at 16, almost 1588, and I go to 18 like in no time. So I'm already I am in a profit of $200, and I'm just literally cruising. So right now it's just nothing to do, it then just wait and hold, especially because NQ is making new lows. It broke my pre-market low, and I'm just waiting to see if Tesla will do the same. So because here is, I did a mistake, not really a mistake, but I wanted to buy another one, and I didn't have the courage. I'm not yet ready yet for that. But in the moment that I saw that Tesla give a nice push, I take profit, getting a nice option price almost at the high at 1950, and enjoy almost 400 profit on the trade. So this was the best trade of the day. After that, I tried again to play the rejection, the breaker retest of the previous low, then the breaker retest of the pre-market at 813, making little scalps of profit. I managed to get over 400, and unfortunately I didn't manage to get a nice run. My mistake was on the second time I entered on the rejection here, is that I could have held it a bit more. I could have just, because I was in profit, I could have just allowed myself a bit more of a loss, and instead I decided to get out because NQ was making a double bottom. It was on a possible support level. So NQ, when I was looking at NQ, I thought Tesla could have found as well support. So I'm not gonna say I'm unhappy with it, because honestly the analysis was good, especially on Nasdaq. So it happened that it broke again that level, but nothing to say. It was an amazing day anyway. Yes, it could have been at $600, but it's all good. As you can see, it just rushed right away on the downside and make me lose again, as I say, $200, and then Q making new lows. But it's easy to say now, and it's easy to say after a trade. But in that moment, my idea was that NQ probably could have find support. I didn't want to risk to enter in a Tesla put. After that, it was just another little trade red, and that put me back to $400. But anyway, guys, this was the recap. I hope you enjoyed it. It takes time. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and leave a like. And I hope you see how I scalp very fast. I know it's not probably the best way to trade for some people, and I don't want to advise it because it's very stressful. It's very concentration demand. You have to be there, look at the candles, how they move, and get experience with one stock. I really like Tesla, so I know after 2 years of looking at Tesla how Tesla candles move and how it rejects some levels. So this was the recap. Tomorrow we'll try to get the recap as well of the audio. I did not manage today, but I will try to get it for tomorrow. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, the recap, the trades, and yeah, see you tomorrow. Thank you very much.